we will be doing this colorful lifted eye makeup look. So if ever you want to know how I created this makeup look, then continue watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into this step-by-step makeup tutorial right away. Hello beauties, happy Friday. Oh my god, this is gonna be a really nice makeup look. I have such a nice image in my head, and I'm so excited to create it and for it to come to life. So we will create that kind of like yellow orangey lifted eye moment, which is gonna be super pretty. You're gonna see when the end result arrives. And of course, we will start right now with the primer as usual, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills mini eye primer on my eyes, and just to make sure that my eye there is nothing that will be you know, oily. And then we blend this out just a little bit to make sure that our base is done for the bright colors that we will have. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit more just because one eye has more than the other. All right, base is done, and we will jump into two different palettes today, and it will be the Neon Orange from Huda Beauty and the ABH Norvina Mini Volume 2. So these two palettes is gonna be amazing. So of course, what I intend to do is I want to create a nice lifted eye with two different things. So you're gonna see how it goes, and we will go into the orange and yellow shades. And I will start with the Norvina palette with the shade B1, and I will place it in the inner corner of my eye, and then creating the shape that I want for the rest of the look. And we can start with that bright orange shade. I'm gonna be packing it in the inner corner just like this. I'm just placing it where, just sketching out the first look. And by placing this color, I'm just really placing it lightly. And you're gonna be like, what the hell are you doing? Well, this is gonna come to light later, so now I'm just sketching out what I'm doing right now. So that's why it looks kind of crazy. Making sure that when my eye is open like this, that it has like a nice shape, just because I have hooded eyes and I want this to be very rounded and very pleasing to the eye. So I go back and forth with that color, and then I create like a nice rounded shape, which will look really nice overall when we finish the look. All right, so the next step that we will do is I'm gonna take a little bit of tape and I'm gonna put it right here where the eyelid is, so we can do that sharp little line. That's gonna be amazing. So the tape are placed, and now I'm gonna be applying the pigment right here where the tape is under my eye, and we're gonna bring the orange all the way into the middle of the eye, and then bringing that over there. And now it is time to place the other colors. So we will go into the Neon Orange palette because there's different colors. And I'm gonna open it up, look at the colors, and I'm gonna go into the first shade, this yellow orangey shade. I'm gonna be applying it right next to the orange and blending it in. So I make sure to pack it and then to really blend it into the other orange to really create a nice transition. It's already coming to life, which is very nice. Oh my god. So now I'm gonna go into the ABH palette, and I will go into the shade A1, which is that little pale yellow, just because I want like a nice transition that goes all the way to the skin tone, and it's gonna look very nice. I'm taking the same brush, and I'm just gonna apply that yellow shade right here, the eyelid, and just blending it in to the orangey colors and the other brighter yellow. And then after that, what we do is we intensify the colors, and then we blend back all those colors together, just because this is not intense enough. We want it very bright, especially for the orange. We have to add some orange, the middle orange, and the light yellow, and blend them out. So the blend is so soft and fluffy that you barely you don't even see like a harsh line anywhere. And then I take back that light yellow and I bring it under right here, just to blend that orange out under the eye so it's not as harsh and it looks really blended everywhere. Right, so now that these shades are placed, what we're going to do is I'm going to take a black liner and I'm going to be lining the top of my eye and as well as the side right here. So I think it's going to be really a nice touch and something different. It's going to add some structure to the look just because right now it's only eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Life Liner with the liquid side. Then I'm going to put it some on my hand and then I'm going to take a little brush and line the side with the brush because I want this to be super precise. And after that, I'm bringing it into here and on the side as well right here. And I bring it all the way on top of the eyelid just because I want this to be very sharp and it gives, like I said, some nice structure to the look. We'll remove the tape to see what it looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go do the other side and be very precise because I don't want to mess up. So I'm going to do this off camera and then I will be right back. My God, the liner is done and it looks so good. I'm like, oh my God. I absolutely love the result. I am in love with the result. So now I'm going to go into the neon orange palette and of course I'm going to be applying some of this shade, which is the glitter here, and I'm going to be applying it of course in under the black line right here to really add some depth and some highlight under the eye to really make my eyes more open and brighter. We're putting it right here and connecting it to the orange. And this elongated the eye even more. So I don't know if you can see the difference here, but the eye looks already bigger just because I put this little highlight down there. So now that this is placed, I will be putting some black liner inside of my eye. So I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Life Liner and I'm going to take the inner part, which I never tried inside of my eye. So we will see what it does today in our eye. So I'm going to take it right now and apply it in the waterline. And I am connecting it, of course, with the black liner that we did already. This is done and I absolutely love it. So now the final touch that we need to do is obviously some highlights. So what I want to do now is putting the Jaclyn Hill highlighter right at the top to really blend it with the orange that we already have under the brow bone. And I think it's going to be very nice just because it is a golden shade, and since it's very light, I'm just going to pack it very slightly, and it's going to really blend with the liner that's really disappearing, and it's going to look very unified overall. Then I take this highlight and I bring it under here. I'm taking a little liner brush, taking the Jaclyn Hill highlighter, and I'm going to put it very slightly here where the yellow is. And then I'm going to put some mascara. So I'm going to take the Better Than Sex from Too Faced and just applying it on my lashes to make sure that they are coated and ready for the falsies. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go put my lashes and finish off my face off camera. And I will be right back. So I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus and then applying it all over my makeup so everything is set and in place. So refreshing, OMG. So I really like how the look turned out. It's so amazing. I think it's really like it lifts my eyes up. It creates like a new illusion of like my eyes are like going this way with different colors. It makes the blue of my eyes pop just because it is kind of an orange yellowy color. And of course I did the rest of my face. I added some highlighter, the Jaclyn Hill highlighter. I did my lips with a neutral lip, and I also added the Moonchild palette on top of my lips just for a little extra oomph and a little bit lighter in the middle. So if ever you want to know all the products that I used, everything will be listed down below, of course. And so that's what it is. Tell me what you think about the makeup look. Do you think that it's nice? Do you like these crazy colorful makeup looks? I just got the inspiration while just, you know, I was like, oh my God, I need to do this, and I did it, and that's what it looks like. So that's what it is. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, and if you don't want to miss any videos again, don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe, and you'll be notified even when I do lives occasionally on the weekend. So I really love you beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.